Namaste, students. Khusro Bitiyong. I, JVN Dr. Naren Singh Shekhawat, Assistant Professor, Department of Salgatantra, Faculty of Ayurvedic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's Institute, Jaipur. In previous class, we discussed about injury to the urethra. In today's class, we will discuss about the structure of urethra. Let's begin with classification. First means etiologically classification first. There's two types, congenital and inflammatory. A. Post-gonococcal is common as 70%. Gonococcal stricture occurs 1 year after infection. Retention develop only 10 to 15 years later. Common in the bulb of urethra, especially in the roof. Here, multiple strictures are common. Proximal stricture is narrowest. B. Tuberculosis and other infection may include urethritis. Traumatic bulbar membranous. Post instrumentation include catheter, dilator, cystoscope, etc. And post-operative cause is prostatic surgery, urethrostomy. Classification second, proximal and distal. Common in bulbar urethra 70%. Congenital, distal include congenital, often traumatic in children. Classification third, permeable and impermeable. Classification 4, passable and impassable. Passable allows catheter to pass. Classification 5, it can be single or multiple. Classification 6, according to the part involved in the roof or in the floor. Clinical features, poor urinary stream, fogging and spraying of the stream, incomplete emptying, frequency, dysuria, retention and often with overflow, pain, burning micturition, suprapubic tenderness, thickening and button-like feeling in bulbar urethra. Bulbar urethra is felt clinically by lifting the scrotum in midline in the perineum. Investigation, as you can see, urine microscopy and culture, blood urea, serum creatinine, IBU to see hydronephrosis and function of kidney, ultrasonography of abdomen, X-ray of pelvis to see old fractures, with osteoptoma, ascending ureterogram, is urodynamic studies and urethoscopy, all more the investigation. In this picture, as you can see, ascending ureterogram showing failure of dye to pass due to stricture of urethra. Next, ascending ureterogram showing stricture of urethra. In this picture, as you can see the images and the stricture of urethra. This is the cystoscopic view of urethral stricture. Treatment. Intermittent dilatation. Gradual dilatation initially within dilators, later with a thicker dilators of increasing size. Dilatation should be done in OT under aseptic precautions. Should avoid forcible dilatation or over dilatation. Dilatation is done once a week for 1 month, once a month for 1 year, and later once in a year on his birthday. Dilators used cluster dilator, filiform bogies. Complication of dilatation, infection and bleeding due to trauma, false passage, fistula formation. Second treatment is visual internal cystoscope, erythrostomy or stricturotomy. Here using cystoscope, stricture is visualized and is cut at 12 o'clock position until it bleeds. After that, Foley's catheter is passed and kept in position for 48 hours. External ureterotomy. by open method, presently not commonly done and done as done as cystoscopic ureterotomy is more popular. It is presently done as an initial stage surgery for urethroplasty. Complication of stricture urethra included retention of urine, urethral fistula infection, urethritis, cystitis, and pyelonephritis, urethral diverticula, periurethral abscesses, bilateral hydronephrosis, stone formation, renal failure due to staining, hernia, hemorrhoids, rectal prolapse. Yes. So then this is all about the structure of urethra. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University in Jaipur. I hope you are satisfied with this digitation. If you have any doubts and query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it soon. Thank you, students.